Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm out here watering the garden. Obviously. Got me some tomatoes growing here. Huh? Huh? Yeah. If you're into doing things the same way everyone's always done them, yeah, then go ahead and check out a different video. Because this channel is for making things better and making it yourself. Not relying on anybody else to do it for you. So if you want to go down to Walmart and wait for them to come out with the perfect thing for your situation, need, custom circumstance, so that's the right way to say that. Let's go to funny cat videos. That's right, go to funny cat videos if that's what you're looking for. Not that those are bad, actually. I kind of like them too. Today I'm going to show you a solution that I made. Basically, I made a guide that will guide a paddle bit into a door without messing up the door. Ball catching doors, if you're not sure what that is, little ball that goes on the top of the door. When it closes, the ball goes into strike plate up top and it holds the door shut. And we've damaged a lot of doors trying to do this freehand. Take a drill with a paddle bit on the end of it, measure out, 2 3/4 inches from the edge of the door, and we kind of eyeball the center of the top of the door, and they just freehand drill into the door. Or just straight up drill into the top of the door, and if they're at any kind of angle with that drill, any kind of weird angle, they'll either come out the skin at the top of the door, or go too deep, or I mean, just a number of very costly mistake every single time it happens. So I designed a guide so here's how I did it. I'd love to hear from you. Any content suggestions you may have, any questions you may have that I might be able to answer, just put them in the comments. My Design With Me series is basically just to be somewhat of an entertaining video where you can watch me make things and be inspired to make your own things. So if you want to know how to make anything you see in my Design With Me programs, go check out my my other series, the Learn With Me. And if you need to, start at step 1, episode 1, and work your way through them.